Good morning, everybody. It is currently 9:12. I was gonna say $9. It's currently 9:12. We woke up maybe about an hour ago. I had a really bad dream last night, and then, you know, I wake up and then I'm like, okay, let's move on to something different. And then I just couldn't sleep last night. I kept thinking of like bad stuff, and I'm just like, come on, seriously. I am mailing out my shirts for my friend today. I'm actually gonna get some really cute packaging. I know I shouldn't, but I think I want to. But after I filmed my video last night, I thought of a lot of you guys helped me. A lot of you guys suggested DesignerJen or something like that. I'm just thinking Jen does crafty. I don't know. No, DesignerJen. But Graham and I really like it as Jen made it. I was gonna do Jennifer made it, but I don't know, because I prefer Jennifer, but I think Jen made it or DesignerJen. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I don't know, but yeah, if you guys need, some of you are asking me if I can make you stuff. Yeah, just let me know. You guys can just send me a message. You know, I can make you guys some stuff. So just give me a heads up. I don't mind helping you guys out. I'm not like in it to make a huge profit. I'm just in it to get my money back for my supplies. So we got that going on. Yeah, we're just gonna have a nice relaxing day. The sun is out. They said that the sun is gonna be the UVs from the sun could make you get sunburnt today. I don't know what that really means, but we're gonna definitely go outside today. It's actually really nice outside. I'm gonna keep the screen open. I'm gonna shut the heat off and keep the doors open. But yeah, I want that nice fresh air coming through the house. So that is what we're gonna do. What? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today, is just have a nice relaxing day. I'm gonna get my packages all packed up, and I'll catch you guys back when I get more productive. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go for a walk. We got halfway there, and then Ben's like, oh, I want to bring my bike. So we had to turn all the way around to go get his bike. So we're gonna go to the bakery. I'm gonna get some cookies and a drink. Ben's gonna ride his bike, so we're gonna get going, okay? Yeah? Okay. The bakery, and there's a bird really loud, and Charlotte's eating her cookie, and Benny Pooh, I don't know where Benny Pooh just went. Oh, you got your flour? Cool, good job. So we're just at our little bakery taking a break. Okay, you guys, so it's like 2 something, I don't even know what time. Graham wanted me to pick him up food to drop off at work, so it's like currently 2:50. Ben, shh. It's currently 2:56. We're gonna go get him some food. There's some like weird guy parked in front of my house, and it's like, dude, what are you doing? Like, I've never seen this car before, and I'm a person who watches things around my neighborhood like a hawk, because you never know. So it's like, oh my gosh. So we're gonna go pick up Graham's food. We're gonna go pick up food. He's standing outside. We're gonna go pick up food for Ben because I have a coupon. So I'm gonna hey you guys, so I went and got food for Graham and I. Graham wanted a bowl, which I thought was a bowl. He wanted a salad bowl. I messed that up, but that's the only thing I messed up. But he wanted a smoked brisket salad bowl. Okay, I ordered everything everything the same, except he wanted a tortilla bowl, and I got nothing with it. That was my mistake. But he wanted a smoked brisket bowl, and I wanted a steak burrito. And you know, Graham, as I was driving home, he messaged me, and I read it when I got home. He's like, yeah, they gave me ground beef. And I'm like, I did order brisket. It even says it on the label, brisket. So they gave him ground beef. And so then I opened mine up, and I started eating it, and guess what? I got brisket, and I'm not a brisket person, especially for burritos. I always like their steak. And so I'm like beyond mad, because like I'm just not a big brisket fan. I've never been a big, I'll eat it, but I don't like it smoked, okay? So I call the place where I ordered it from, and I says, yeah, I just did an online order and picked it up, and I says, both of my orders are wrong. No, they are not. I made them exactly how the order says. I says, no, I mean, where do you get a steak burrito with brisket in, and where do you get a brisket bowl with ground beef? He's like, nope, I made it according to what the tag said. I says, no, you didn't. He's like, well, the only way I can help you without it is you need to come back to the location and show proof to me that we made it wrong. And I'm like, I am not driving back 20 minutes back to town just to go have them look at my food and make a new meal. It's not worth my time. So I'm not like, for once, I'm not like crying over this, because I get super emotional and I cry over the stupidest things. But, you know, I'm pissed off because now I can't eat anything. Graham doesn't matter. He just ate his food anyways, but he's like, you know, make sure, you know, you say something to him. I'm like, okay, I'll say something to him. But then as I was typing it up, I started taking a couple bites of mine, and you could obviously tell the meat is starting to fall apart. The steak doesn't fall apart. The steak's like a good chunk. And so now I'm like super pissed off because I went there to go get lunch for myself, and now I have nothing to eat. So now I pretty much am going to have like leftovers because that's what I'm going to eat. So I contacted Qdoba, and I'm waiting to see. I mean, I love Qdoba more than Chipotle just because of their reward system. But the guy is just like, I can't do anything for you until you show me proof. And I'm just like, I'm not driving all the way back. So I said, that's fine. I'll just, you know, and I'm not a person who really contacts corporate for anything. But I sent them a nice little message, so we'll see if they respond back. Otherwise, if not, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you ever have that's why it's good to pay with a credit card. Because if you guys ever have a problem and somebody, you know, doesn't give you the product that you ordered and they fight with you on it, you can always put a dispute on your credit card. We've done it actually a couple times. Basically, you know, we ordered something, they did not give us the right product. We said something, they still refused to give us the right product. And so when you do a dispute, the credit card company wants to know like the whole reason why you're doing it, and sometimes they call you and you need to talk to them and explain them the story. And most of the time, they will give you, you know, your money back. So if they don't do anything for here, I'm not going to say I'm never going to eat Qdoba again. I will just never do their online order again because I wasn't there to see, you know, them make it, because I just wanted to get in and out and not leave the kids in the car. But I don't know, I'm just pissed off, you guys. Like, I've eaten Qdoba for years, and I've never had a problem, but this was my first time doing an online order, and I'm just so sad. It's like, it's having such a great day, and now I'm just ruined my meal, because it's like, now what am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat? I really wanted a steak burrito. So I don't know, I might just leave the house later today and go to Culver's, because Culver's makes me feel so much better. So I might just get out of the house again and do that. So I will catch you guys in a bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just really mad. Okay, you guys, it is 5:43. I'm not gonna go anywhere, but I just got 2 more bad notifications. It's like 2020, you need to go away, like seriously. So my mom and I and my best friend Jenny, we bought tickets to go see Val and Max, like motion movie picture. It's like it's with the people from Dancing with the Stars, and Val's like my favorite dancer, and I was so excited that they were coming to my town. So the day, I think it was like March 13th, I went and bought tickets for a Mother's Day gift / birthday present from my mom to go see the show. She knew about it because I just wanted to give her a heads up. I told her after I bought the tickets. But yeah, so I bought them, and then everything shut down. They shut everything down like that day, so you couldn't do anything, which was fine. So then, you know, the show was supposed to happen June 26th, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and they just announced today that they're postponing the show until next year. So now I have to wait till June 24th, 2021 to go to this show. Yeah, so there's that that, you know, and I understand to be safe, but I just wanted something to look forward to. We're seeing Cher in September, and I have a feeling that's gonna get canceled completely, and I even made custom-made shirts. And then I just also found out that they always have fireworks on 4th of July in my area. We always go sit and watch it. Yeah, they canceled that too. So there's no fireworks to watch. I mean, we're just gonna get a bunch of fireworks and light them off in our yard. I bet you the neighborhood will probably do something together. But it's just like, okay, any more bad news you'd like to let me know on? Because today is just not having it. I mean, the stupid burrito thing. And then Children's Place made me mad because they charged me something that I did not want to pay for, and they still have not responded to me back. Cricket, I bought something weeks ago and they still won't contact me, and it's like I tried calling them, they won't respond. So I'm sick of companies just not helping me out or at least responding to me. I'm just having one of those days. So right now I am making a shirt for Benjamin. I'm trying to figure out what other stuff I want to do with it. But yeah, I'm gonna make a shirt and probably make a cup because I love making stuff, and that makes me happy. So that is what I'm gonna continue to do. Oh, I want to go outside and play. I don't know. Miss Charlotte's walking through a tunnel. Where's the baby going? Where's the baby? Charlotte! Pookie! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! She's being silly. Okay, you guys, so it is now 6:46, and we are gonna go for another walk because Benjamin wants to go ride his bike. So that's what. I like my bike now. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna leave my phone here, leave my camera here. And we're just gonna go have some fun. So it is now officially 7:51. We walked all the way down the back, and then Ben kind of he wanted to keep going. I'm like, no, let's turn around. Halfway as we turned around, he's like, I don't want to ride my bike anymore. And I'm like, ugh. But we found another missing ball that we lost, and then I was looking for the deer, and I just saw one, and he's like, oh, let's go out there. I'm like, no, you don't want to bother the deer. I just like looking at them. So that is what it happened while we were outside. Then my stepdad called me, and he just learned something about his phone that he had no idea about. But I am now just made some popcorn, and Ben and I are gonna have some popcorn together, and we're gonna watch some movies, and then that's it. We're gonna call it a night. Not much else is exciting, except, did you have a fun time riding your bike today?
Yeah, I went faster, and then I started in this fall down on the second bike quiet. And you remember the video where Mom was recording me, I was going fast?
Yeah. So, okay. Because the movie's really loud all of a sudden. So we're watching Abominable, if you guys haven't seen that. So, place is a mess again. I don't care.
I watched this on my iPad for in this Domino movie.
The place is not like I'm tripping over everything. My desk is just, I had it cleaned to a T, and then it's a mess again. So I need to clean that. That is my goal for tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm gonna go to Starbucks, you guys. Like, I am so excited to go to Starbucks. Not even buying coffee. Well, I'll probably buy just a drink. I don't drink coffee, but I drink their vanilla bean frappuccinos. But I'm excited to get some reusable cups just so I have them, because I really want to, you know, pursue in making things. I decided I don't know if I'll keep a craft page. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait until I get more people ask me to make them things, and then eventually I will. I mean, I want to have like 100 things that I've made, which there probably is, but it's slowly getting there. But I'm just gonna hold off. But I do like Crafty Jen, or Jen Made It. One of you guys said there's that, which is kind of catchy. It's kind of cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna call it a night. I hope to have a better day tomorrow with some good news. Hopefully Starbucks. I got 4 of them around me that I can go to. I'm gonna make sure Graham doesn't go to work in the morning, because I need some me time. And then as I'm out, I might go to the Dollar Tree, because I haven't been there in forever and I totally miss it. So yes, you guys have a nice day. You guys have some happy news hopefully for you. My day just kind of went from awesome to sucks. But let's just have a better day. See you guys all later. Bye-bye.